Ambazonia, land of freedom. Amazonia, Glory to the Father, in the nation, forevermore. Amazonia, land of freedom. Happy Sunday, my beloved brothers and sisters. You're hearing from Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police. If you are listening from Colonel Arthur John, the truth teller, who never looks at any face. If you are satisfied, please click the share button and you share. If you don't be satisfied, you stay for outside my page. You know, stay for my page. People will be okay. Click the share button, you share them. Why the truth teller equal to Riona? Today I get plenty to never talk, and I give talk about many activists them, and many fake frontline leaders them, and many group prostitutes in our revolution. So Colonel Arthur John, the call for any man way they listen Colonel Arthur John, me click the share button, share them. I will start by explaining something once more. Yesterday, General Foncha, he apologized for an error due to poor communication issue. Based on this apology has been accepted by at least 97% of Ambazonians. 3% blacklegs them for AGC and fake federalists them. They decide they don't go accept the apology. They keep on ratting online, insulting people online. I want to tell Muna get a very well. How Marx the one simple question? How many times country number 1 in the world, United States of America, how many times did America claim they have killed Osama bin Laden? How many times US claim him? US claim more than 8 different times. They say don't claim, they don't kill. After they see the thing so big for terrain. It is domo, it is so domo. Then Usa una keep una mentality where due to poor communication, US make that type of big error for international, for the view of the worldwide. But due to a minor error, this has been the first error where General Foncha make them. Una want crucify, like say, una want put near una want use knife cut in nekutam. Any man way the insult General Foncha for that error, me the person show we one ground action where you don't conduct them. If you don't conduct only one ground action, you get right for insulting. But you never conduct them. As if federalism, as if Bobby turn up, Bobby turn up slot I show them for federalist group them they come the insult general fortune. All these Bobby turn up them for federalists. Una want to show na waiting. Una want show na waiting. Bobby turn up. Una know the song where small picking the singer for primary call for small primary school say Bobby turn up one day. Bobby turn up one day for zoom ta la 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 zoom ta la 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 zoom ta. And see me girl you, mama sa fine pass your own. When I make so you jealous, I parallel you for too much. All the Bobby turn up them for federalists the way they come try to spoil the revolution. Me they stop them. And the federalists at the day una no say when I talk say I the activate people they fight them. It is becoming bad. It be bad when I talk say I don't activate person the fight. Or when I talk say person fight the Ambazonia police their table. It is going to be worst of the worst of the worst if we do it. We don't want to do this thing. We don't want to activate any person fight. And we call on all the federalists that when they try to damage the revolution, pretending to be attacking General Fortune and others to close their mouth. Stay at the background. You are not welcome to speak. You are not welcome. Concentrate with your federation. Don't try to attack General Fortune because any attack from any federalist, I don't talk am now after I talk am today. After I talk am this very hot Sunday, so if I talk am any federalist, he make any post, he attack General Fortune and reactivate their fight. Una know say I get fight them federalists them no. Una know very well this contain fights of all people them. So all federalists watch out. Okay. Now, I want to talk. Wait where he pass. Many Ambazonians, una get blockhead. Una front head there for una back head. Some people they una forget wait where they happen. Ma tell una something. Many of una the question wait where ASC, the Ambazonia Security Council, they do am. Una the question them. Ma ask you something here. Any man will grow up in Limbe. And he or she is from Pini. I want ask you say, una the talk say General Fortune no dey do any action for ground so. I know say no be only General Fortune they do action. Others they do actions for ground. Such as Dr. Ebenezer they do action for ground. But ma I talk about General Fortune action. Recently, wait where una no know where it happen for Kumba Road. Heading to Bamenda. To the south zone. Una no know where to pass. Una ask yourself, una question any person for Limbe. Una find out who is Mr. Awa Celestine, a man from Pini. He is the delegate. He is a delegate, land public delegate, who resident in Limbe. He come out in the fear to use government motor go Abakwa. As he come out in the fear to use government motor to go Abakwa, he go take Mungamo bus, say he go Abakwa. As he use Mungamo bus, say he go Abakwa, they catch the delegate. They catch the delegate. Una ti say now they catch him. They catch up a road after Kumba. They catch the delegate, Mr. Awa Celestine, a man from Pini. A man from Pini. I know all things about that man. I know everything. He A to Z. These drops and they catch the Mr. Awa Celestine. They beat Mr. Awa Celestine. Turn it upside down. They beat him very, very well. Mr. Awa Celestine start lie say he did so. He no bina La Republic. Say he did so. He bina Mugamo Express Walker. They beat him right now. What they talk for now? So go for hospital for Limbe, military hospital for Limbe. You can see Mr. Awa Celestine, but where the face severe beatings. Just due to the fact say Ambazonians them who traps them with the devil road where they arrest, where they catch it, they get a good mind, they pity because if you need dry the HIV patient, but if they be swift information, if they give information for General Fortune, assure say Mr. Awa Celestine will go 6 feet automatically. So nothing then the way they happen, una no know am. No be all thing we come post am for social media. No be everything we talk am for social media. No be anything that they talk am. Una just we call it insult. All this insult should end. Una no be in the cost thing, una no know am. Una no know what Mr. Celestine do am. Una no know how we General Sofoncha they do. Una need to recharge phone. Una need to put credit. Una need to pay the cost when they call back to Africa. Una need to pay the time wasted for communication. Una no know what really happen. Una no know how much time we did vote am. Una try to attack General Sofoncha. All the rash-shocking things from Una me stop. Me stop with immediate effect. Me stop. I know say na Kumba doctor, na Kumba medical doctor, Kumba Ngambe doctor. Now he frame up all the stories of the attack. One thing where I want to clarify where General Sofoncha be talk of a video where I deem it very, very wrong. Which I call on General Sofoncha to make adjustment on it. General Sofoncha, you were wrong to say that you are the one alone who is operating on ground zero. No, you are not alone. I, Colonel Atajon, I defend the truth for anything. And I will tell you, General Sofoncha, like somebody that I defend you anywhere you go, that Dr. Ebenezer is actually operating on ground zero with his full life. I can testify this to you, General Sofoncha. You are not aware of it, but I can testify to you that Dr. Ebenezer is operating on ground zero. Is the Kumbangambe doctor, Ayabacho Lucas, the monster, where you only get na paper warriors. No, nothing, they don't do anything. You only get that people that make online. They don't only make na online. Me the people that stop to begin to text me. Me they stop to text me. Do not text me again, agency. No text me again, agency. I don't want to that text me or show people the way to the right time for me. No text me again, agency. So I want to tell you, I don't correct General Sofoncha that one me no talk again that thing because Dr. Ebenezer is active on ground zero also. I'm aware of it. I know the camp of his troops. So I'm sincere. I know they hide anything because now duty for like Ambazonia police to stick on the truth, nothing but the truth. So if I see wrong, I call and wrong. If I see wrong, even for outside, I call and wrong. And they call wrong good. I see wrong, I call them wrong. While you listening, you share. Nicolone after John drink small water before you go for the next matter. Chelsea. My brother, my sister said, the next thing I will talk about now about village champions. I will be speaking now about the village champions. I'm going to take the village champions one after the other. The first village champion what I could talk about. The first village champion what I would talk about. Terry Apopo. His real name is officially Aso Terence. Terry Apopo, he come out for Ambazonia, he come for Europe through Netherlands. He come through Netherlands, this village champion, he no get money for pay his school fees, he run go for Germany, since when school fees cheap for Germany. I, Colonel Atajon, when I want somebody, say me he take care, I dig all information, I fit do am. Because it take me nothing to do it. I don't go through Shinge information system. I get all Terry Apopo, his analysis, and his detailed information. So, I want to tell you now, Terry Apopo, na relative for Dr. Charles. Terry Apopo, na relative for Jay-Z. Terry Apopo na relative for Milan Atem. Because Milan Atem married for Dr. Charleston in family. So that is the true story about Terry Apopo. Terry Apopo, the village champion, we not see him so, the village champion, since the arrest of President Ayuk Sisiko, Terry Apopo, he don't stop you the clap behind him for Monster Ayaba. Ayaba don't tip his small shishi. Small shishi where go collect up. Ayaba go collect the bribe for La Republic Embassy for Benin. Come tip Terry Apopo small tip for I. Milan Atem tip small Terry Apopo small door for I. Terry Apopo now the worker, the support scoper, support AGC. When I the talk so una think say Colonel Atta John the John talk, like say you know go, like say you know wait say the talk am. I the tell una na nothing but the truth. No person no go fit tell una wait way Terry Apopo the do am for the revolution. Terry Apopo, it is so. It be out for the revolution. Now we fight power. And number two, Terry Apopo, it is so for the revolution. Now we begin the defensive for the revolution. When I talk so, una go begin some doubters, they go begin the doubt say, wait what they talk am. I will start for sure now. Wait where Terry Apopo, he just recently comment about it. Terry Apopo, he just recently today, Terry Apopo, he make comment defending Ayaba, the thief. Now Terry Apopo that he be labeled Ayaba like monster. After Ayaba don't go bribe Terry Apopo he had confused now like man, like Chris man we don't colo pa. Una understand or no? So Terry Apopo, he be out now for look money for the revolution. Terry Apopo, he don't even get girlfriend. He don't get anything for Europe here. He go now meet up beach them. When Terry Apopo visit Paris, Terry Apopo they go for Pigalle where slot are. When Terry Apopo visit Berlin, he go for Zage Strat. So that he go there go the Tuma beach them. When I talk and they ever look my face, when I dig by the true story I the expose and they look my face. When Terry Apopo go for Netherlands, he go for Red Light District. Now the way Terry Apopo they go there, go meet your own kind of chap they. Terry Apopo be of no use for the revolution. Terry Apopo, that is the truth story about Terry Apopo. Terry Apopo is very useless in this revolution. And Terry Apopo is officially one of the village champion. Terry Apopo, now village champion. Next village champion, Vela Franklin. That country juju, Vela Franklin they so. Since when the revolution starts, that country juju, Vela Franklin. Now, group prostitute. Now, group prostitute. When I talk so, Vela Franklin now group prostitute. Ma I'll tell you something. Time when the revolution be start, where was Vela Franklin? Vela Franklin they preach every day. Len gombe, len fool. Say every day Vela Franklin they preach say federalist, say be federalist. Vela Franklin they preach every day say federalist. Now, Vela Franklin, Ivor, the preach too say federalist. Yeah, Vela Franklin, they do go for me, the thief money, the chop am. That village champion. That way, Ivor, yeah, Vela Franklin, they too, the thief money, chop am. Now, Ivor run go now say the SCNC. That is number one set of group prostitution. You go say the SCNC. Snake with green head. Jubilee inside. Jubilee inside. So dika tonton. That way, now them two, they don't go lie, say the SNC. Ayabacho go give them small dough. They come out, go join La Republic Club AGC. Tell you they don't go join La Republic Club AGC. Ivor stop giving the preach. Ivor, you are one, fiscally a professional prostitute. A show man picking. Woman where you are you born pikin don't chase you for outside because you been gengelo. Because you gengelo, Ivor. You be gengelo. Ivor, you and Bella Franklin, una don't thief money. Una thief Dr. Fontaine money chop him. So what are you lack even $2,000 to pay a court case with him? Ivor, challenge Honorable Colonel Atajon by testifying before Ambazonians the truth about Dr. Fontaine's money. Challenge me about woman where you are born picking. Then Gengero. That woman don't talk so you be Gengero. He drive you for your house, no? Yeah, I go. No, not wait to the way it up as. You are in not to be, no. You are in no be. You are in a unity talk again up talk. Another fool. This another village champion, Bella Franklin. Bella Franklin. You chat Susie Spark. You chat Susie Spark. Susie Spark blast you, no. You chat he blast you, no. You chat Susie Spark, he blast you, no. He give you death. He give you death. Boom, boom. He give you death. Now you decide block Susie Spark. No, they talk with Susie Spark. No, that which is where you do them. When you do all the things, you just say Colonel Atajon the take them. And they take all the information in and out. I'm very friendly in this revolution. From all groups, I be friendly for all sides. So I know everything where it happen. Bella Franklin write love message for Susie Spark. Chatty. Susie Spark blast her. That is the truth. Village champion. Susie Spark called Bella Franklin a village champion. I just shoot for the messages. Susie Spark na my friend. But you know me say wait. Say when it concerns serious matter, man look my face. If Susie Spark say do me wrong, I could talk about Susie Spark. But now Susie Spark never do me anything wrong. Go on now, my friend. She never do me anything. If she do wrong, I could talk about her. They never do me any wrong. This village champion, Ivor and Bella Franklin, they need to grow up. They need to repent. For the kingdom of God is at hand. Let them turn their Bible to Psalms 14. And they read Psalms 14. To grow up and have manners. How to treat your brother like yourself. Then they read the 10 commandments. Also, to understand how things have to be happening. So, with this village champion, Ivor, tap those Ivor. When I call Ivor tap those, because I know how Ivor go kwasa, he tap those who take Yan, Igi Orok Florence. Orok Florence or Bayangi chap. Bele, Igi Be, I know all the story. Ivor deny the responsibility for the Bele. The Bayangi chap go pin Ivor. For Angola, yeah, Ivor don't move there. Any person will be there in Angola, he have to testify people they know. Mark Barata na Ivor friend, but he know this story what they talk am so. So me Ivor tap those Ivor, me he repent for all the thing them. So that is the matter where the pass. So wait to wanna know all this. And they talk about these guys because they be out to spoil the revolution in order to use the revolution to make money for themselves. This is why I'm speaking about them. So that is the truth I'm telling you people. If you can't never see my face, you pack fine. Pack fine. You will see my face for Boya. You will see my face for Boya. You will see me for Boya. You will see me for Boya. So that is the matter where they did. The next village champion, what I want to talk about, a green snake inside green grass, is Mark Barata. Mark Barata, Akongso Pauline, Aka Akongso Raymond. I want to call these two village champions them. When the revolution be start, una be dry like Serapo patient, like HIV patients them. They be dry like HIV patients them. Time when Mark Barata start collect Sunday school offering, they make fake go for me chop money. He fat. Mark Barata get fat. Now true the what they tell una. Those people them. Those people they no understand say Mark Barata, native man for the revolution. Mark Barata, you dey preach say me people they me government workers they no go for work for inside ground zero. Your stepmother is working at CRTV Southern Zone. Have you stopped your stepmother from going there? Have you stopped her? Mark Barata, you just say you overget na sense. You overget na sense, Mark Barata. Mark Barata, a ramshackle idiot. A ramshackle idiot. No matter you are older than me, Mark Barata, it does not mean that if you do wrong, I don't go vagash you. No matter whatsoever thing, no matter anything where you do, I go tell you your own Mark Barata. You go know. Mark Barata, you are just a local village champion, Mark Barata. Mark Barata, may you watch out for the revolution. Call your stepmother, me stop whatever thing where you do, Mark Barata. Me, you know, they go for CRTV because you can't fool people, they meet government workers, they know they go for work. Why your stepmother, they go for work? Mark Barata, stop all this madness of yours. Stop this madness of yours, Mark Barata. We don't like child play. Mark Barata, when I remember Mark Barata and Ivor, now one of the two people, the way they start cause destruction for the revolution, who thief anything. When I look the way green snake inside green grass, the behave. When anything concern the IG, Mark Barata, the run make post about with immediate effect. For insult him, call General Funcha for resign. Mark Barata, may I ask you one thing? When Ayaba thief credit, when I fight for Bali checkpoint, I testify for you, say I fight for Bali checkpoint. Mark Barata, you don't ever call Ayaba, say me Ayaba resign for taking fake credit. You never ever do it. You never ever do it, Mark Barata. Because you are just part of the agency. Mark Barata, you are very, very useless in this revolution. No matter if you go live, go preach your mommy Pima day. Me watch out, Mark Barata. Me watch out, Mark Barata. I tell you, I need the drag, you know, drag. I, Colonel Atajon, I tell you because I know you're in and out. I know how much you don't see them. Mark Barata, all money for Sunday school offering, bring we accountability. Bring us accountability for the money we collect for Sunday school offering. Mark Barata, you come for the revolution, for fight revolution, no before the worker do bed by bed. Tell where the right sexual messages for Ko An. You know, we know say Ko An na Colonel Atajon ni party person. You know say I get your text messages the way you try to use Ko An for do bed by bed with them. Why it be say, when I ask yourself the question, why it be say, all ages the worker do na bed by bed. Ayaba na bed by bed. Pascal Kiki na bed by bed to tell you a we babysitter. Because Pascal Kiki marry na babysitter. All these things the way they do them so, it no be fair. Mark Barata na bed by bed. The text sexual messages for Ko An. When I talk, I get evidence. I get evidence for the way Mark Barata did do them. I get all evidence. Next thing I will talk am. So about Mark Barata and agency. Why Mark Barata could begin to follow the tribe, follow Ko An to do bed by bed? At same moment, Ayaba is sending naked pictures. When I see the commissioner from where they don't put the picture in naked pictures there online, no? I get Ayaba in naked picture where he send for Ko An for WhatsApp. I get them. So also, I get the message where Ayaba say, Ko An, I am hot. I am living with a slut, with a prostitute in Norway. Ayaba call illegal wife, Lily Ayaba. Say, slut before Ko An. For you says do bed by bed. But Ko An cover his beings. Ko An cover his beings. Say, you know, go give Ayaba. Ayaba send Lawrence Ashamba. Shake off. Say me the go convince Ko An. Ko An, he consult Colonel Atajon like his friend. He ask Colonel Atajon, say, trust him, man. I tell Ko An to no, cover your beings. No, give your beings for Ayaba. because Ayaba want thief your beings that be thief am. So now since then, Ayaba hate Koan. Now, Ayaba John gonna go carry Cecilia be Amabo for Ireland. Do the bed by bed with them. That way do am. Ayaba gonna also go carry Patience Rocker. Do the bed by bed with them. Ayaba carry Momsi. Do the bed by bed with them. Ayaba carry Abu Free. Do the bed by bed with them. Ayaba carry the other Ashao. Really, Wally on the move. He do the bed by bed with them. Ayaba try to do the bed by bed with sister Angel for Germany. Angel blast Ayaba say Ayaba another deal with thief man. Now the truly what the tell una. Now the truth is Honorable Colonel attach on the tell una. I get everything. I get all evidence. Ayaba try to work at thief married woman them. They are tutu. All the things them no go work. Why always agency doing bed by bed, hotel by hotel? Why always them? Ivo na bed by bed man. Marco na bed by bed man. Sheikov na bed by bed man. Ayaba na bed by bed man. Roland Tenwe he never UK. The way you know even get paper self. You know get paper self. If you go to the train station, they look now, oh, mommy, they have 65 years, they go do bed by bed to them. Would I wait to the way they happen? When me, Colonel, after John, I tell una so I tell una na fact where they did it. When una remember, I never ever talk to me, come be lie. When I tell una about Milan Atem, una insult me, it happen. When I tell una say about Ayaba, una blast me, it happen. No be Ayaba thief, Dr. Awa money. Chop am, Iran, una nasiam. It don't happen, no. No be na so Ayaba this. Ayaba, it chill u brother Akuma through. Una chese uki Akuma through. Uki Akuma through. Akuma through sent out an audio. He cried for beloved Ambazonians. They say Ayaba is after his life. I get the audio. I get them. Say Akumafu is after his life. Where Ayaba do all this? Ayaba key Akumafu, one of the core person of the Kovu revolution. One of the Kovu revolution person here at Mambo Mancho BBC. Now in that, Ayaba don't go kill him. Ayaba the one of La Republic. Ayaba they do all effort to spoil the revolution. If Ayaba to kill through, it means Ayaba to kill all we. If Ayaba, the worker go Ayaba go for Germany yan Padia Sanga, go collect bribe for inside La Republic embassy, it means Ayaba to kill all we for the revolution in order to enrich himself. Ayaba. All frontline leaders them for other groups them they do work. They do work. Every people the way they come live talk, they have jobs they are doing. Even me, Colonel Anta John Wadi talk and you work full time for Europe. 40 hours per week. And you do per week. And no one work extra job. 40 hours is enough. Ayaba, why you be say all people in the agency they know the work? They don't get job. Why always this? Why? Why always this? The fool the way they try to defend Ayaba. That part of thief. The Bible says in 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 9 and 16 that he that joined himself with a prostitute is also a prostitute. He that joined himself with a thief is also a thief. So if you defend Ayaba a thief, you are a thief. You are a thief. So that is it. Even God's word saying it, not Colonel Arthur John saying it. So all these things there about Ayaba came in our revolution to steal and destroy. Nothing good comes out from Ayaba and AGC. All about AGC. Now scam by scam, bed by bed, hotel by hotel, tuma by tuma. Woman by woman. Now wait till they were ready to do them. So the fool they talk say co and wanted her to marry. You decrease your head. No be co and if you make pum, I go publish Ayaba own naked picture. Muna see Ayaba canas. Muna see Ayaba canas. The way Ayaba snap the canas. Give the show and co and if una make pum or less more pum, say pum. And the job publish the naked picture because I get them. Because I get them. Co and na my friend, I get them. I get the naked picture of Ayaba. He canas. So you make pum, I go show him and when you face the visual of the day, if you make pum at the publisher. So that is it. My brother, my sisters, do not give your hard-earned income to Ayaba the scammer. Do not give your hard-earned income to Ayaba the scammer. All people the way they call Colonel Atta John an agent of La Republic, you can say it. If you like, you say that I'm an agent of La Republic. But majority of my followers, they believe me. They believe me. And once I come live, I talk now nothing but the truth. And one thing about Colonel Atta John, I need to look about the comments you comment for my post or waiting. Waiting what you look at. The day Colonel Atta John will make a post, he posts online. People they come today, the number of angriness and sadness will be more than the number of likes and love. For my post that day, I could quit the revolution. All my posts, you see like 20 people them, they come comment back. You want to see 100 people them, they like the post. They come from my inbox. They encourage Colonel Atta John. Do you think an invalid number count? In the count. In the count. Because Colonel Atta John now the true tell of the revolution. Anything that comes out from the Ambazonia police, we say nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. Like right now, I want to dispatch officially before now some various individuals. I want them to give a counter attack, an official offensive counter attack to any black leg for the revolution when it try. Because Colonel Atta John be too busy at times. And one time in my absence, me other individuals such as Jennifer, Mrs. Jennifer, una attack all Ayaba, all black legs. Edwin Ababa attack all them. Assistant Police Commissioner Dash White attack all the black leg people them. These black legs them. Colonel Atta John don't give you the authority. But attack all them. Attack all them. No look anyone in face. Anything about AGC is a scam in this revolution. Nothing good comes out from AGC. I will repeat. AGC, Milam Atem and Ayaba Cho Lucas, they are brothers. Their father is Satan. Their godmother is Satan. Their godfather is Satan. So they are very, very evil. AGC be out for do always for bring down the IG in order to make Ayaba commander in charge. Ayaba can never be commander in charge. If Ayaba is the commander in charge of Ambazonia today, Colonel Atta John, I'm going to put down Ambazonias to 0. Ayaba will do nothing. Ayaba cannot be our commander in charge. Ayaba is nobody. Ayaba is just a local village champion. Ayaba is just a local village champion. Ayaba has nothing to show. If Mark Barata, he talks say me General Forcha. If Mark Barata, the village champion, he called for the resignation of General Forcha, village champion. Just imagine a village champion, Mark Barata, calling the resignation of General Forcha. If she can do this, Mark Barata, he called the resignation of Ayaba Cho, the gambling club, because Ayaba Cho took credit for waiting with me, Colonel Atta John, Aduan for Bali checkpoint. I fight for Bali checkpoint with my hands, where I did for ground 0 with all my blood. I fight for ground 0 with them. Usa Ayaba, the village champion, come off, go take credit for that operation. Village champion. Just like Vela Franklin, the village champion. So Usa then come off, go take credit for it. See, my brother, my sister, if I meet up Ayaba for any place, not direct domo, where you go wake up today, I don't assure you. Even reach Boya today, when we meet up Ayaba for any place, not direct domo, not direct, I promise you now. And then they make bap. When I disclose you now, my assistant for commissioner number 1, Dash White, now the assistant, now my main assistant that. In my absence, he could tell, he could represent me in any way where I know they. He could represent me for day. That is it. He could give any man a true clean dose. Any man will lack a dose for get them balancing mentality with them. The village champions them. Mark, Ivor, tap those Ivor, kwasa. All them. We go tear you on. We go tear you on. When I talk so, attacks have been launched by Colonel Atajon to all these people. Ivor, Mark, Pascal Titi, Sheikov, Momsi, Abufri, Roland. All the people them. All these devils. Attack them. I don't give you the authority. Attack them. You see possibility for kill them. Who kill them. Because they no be out for the revolution. They be out now for enrich themselves. You see possibility for kill the people them who kill them. That's what I want to talk about. Milan Atem, Terry Apopo, Taka Melton who kill all them. All the black legs them. All them. No exception. Terry Apopo, his official name, na Ashu Terence, in Germany. Na pede. Wa di te una so na pede. Ma drink small water before I continue.
So I asked her, what do you want from the bank? I just come from the bank, and I got money to throw it. So everybody, rocking the body for me. Keep rocking the body for me. Here I go. It's time to show me your love. Open it up. I need you begging for more. Oh my baby, carry me like a baby. I don't know what you did to me, but I'll never leave out here. Eminado. The one I know. Eminado.
When I tell una say, if I meet up Ayaba for any place, I kill him, Muna chase the play. Ayaba don't kill Akumafu. So, I gave a revenge him with Ayaba in life. I know if you spare Ayaba. Me tell una very clean and clearly. Me know the lizard make na bap. Because Akumafu die so. Now Ayaba kill him. I did the audio for Akumafu. Where Ayaba. Where he cry out loud and say Ayaba day after his life. So, based on this, I must make sure say I kill Ayaba too. I kill Ayaba. Ayaba must enter 6 feet. That is the only thing where you go please Colonel Atajon. And no matter if I kill Ayaba, kill myself. No problem about that. Ayaba must enter 6 feet and be out for revenge. Ayaba in life with Akumafu in life with Ayaba. And when you the person come tell me say I be distraction or wait. I always make it clearly at the beginning of my video. If you are not happy with Colonel Atajon, leave my page. I always tell you this. I'm always on this saying. If you are not happy with Colonel Atajon, if you are not a local village champion, Stay off Colonel Atta John's page. No come try to tell me wait to talk am. No come try to tell me. Ayaba una the try to defend Ayaba, so you be aware say Ayaba Yan Party Asanga, they work hand to hand. They plan, they contact Colonel Atta John. I get evidence for all things them. I get evidence all things them from my WhatsApp. When they call me back for April, say, we go for La Republic Embassy, go collect bribe for the, we go collect bribe. I always saying it, dying over it before now. When I see the play na play, I deny for them, so I need to go collect any bribe. I deny for them. I deny so I need to collect bribe. Why would not say Colonel Atta John that fool? So we not say John the tongue na I don't know it's how the talk. Back in April, now my WhatsApp that. Now my WhatsApp that na Padia Sanga. He call me non-stop. We go collect bribe. Yeah, yaba. All this thing and they don't go collect the bribe. We not them begin to blind fool na head. Ayaba to work for La Republic. Ayaba the work now for La Republic. Ayaba go do it for inside La Republic Embassy for Benin, for Germany. All we did for Germany. We know the ambassador. Fred Fon, your friend na driver for the ambassador. Do all investigation. He is aware Ayaba was at the La Republic Embassy in Benin. Fred Fon, do all investigation and you bring out clean and clear investigation. Because if Fred Fon make mistake, I could bagash Fred Fon also. And then they look my face because I get authentic information about this. But Padia Sanga, you WhatsApp information then in day for me. Say we go collect money. The ambassador be ready for you na 3,000 euros just for attendance of the meeting before we can negotiate balance for the settlement. Now wait till when Padia Sanga send for me. Say me, ye, Jikan, Ayaba, we go for there. Or we go collect them. And tonight we go for there. Now the local village champions, they come try to teach me, to educate me about Ayaba. A local man, a Rashakan man. Wait till Ayaba fish one. Ayaba be jobless. Colonel Atta John the work. Colonel Atta John never ever thief any person money. Ayaba na professional thief. He don't ever work at thief money. Colonel Atta John never ever thief any money credit for ground zero. Wait till Ayaba the worker do. Tip credit. All these things they whether they do also for ground zero. Who not think so the losses na losses. Ayaba and Milan Atem, they go enter for 6 feet. They go enter. Ayaba don't pay many individuals them. Some of these local village commenters, the way they call comment so for the video now so no. Like this Siva, the Ambe, now wait. Right? All them so whether the comment so Ayaba sometimes Ayaba just promise and I promise they go give them money. They start giving the comment to defend Ayaba. Ayaba is just a local village champion. Pay the na Ayaba. So when I know we come give the tribe to defend Ayaba, una no way to the past. Una ask people the way they know better than una me they tell una. Ayaba the signed asylum paper for Europe here for $400 just for consultation, 400 euros just for consultation fees. They be 1,200 euros. That means say why seek asylum, you be ready to spend 1,600 euros. That way Ayaba they do one for Europe here. Una we come give the losses the color for night. Una stand up una shine una eyes Me no man no try to talk again. Ayaba must bring me Akumafu. If Ayaba no bring me Akumafu, there shall be nothing like me and Ayaba ever talk or anything. Me and Ayaba will remain kerosene and fire. If I see Ayaba do anything, what kill I could kill him. Because Ayaba don't kill Akumafu. Ayaba don't make the arrest Freedom Benji for Nigeria. Ayaba never ever send any person go give Freedom Benji. Even caller. He never ever send them. Ayaba be get some few troops in Nigeria where weapon be na their leader. They go fight for something. They go fight as well they go fight. They shoot the troops them. Ayaba never ever take credit for the trop. Ever try to treat these troops them. So Ayaba never ever treat the troops the way they get injury. Now brought up in Nigeria, he name now be no I no calling him, I no calling him. I know calling him. If I call brought up in Nigeria, we help to take care for the troops the way Ayaba get them, they will brother no could be happy. But they will brother who boldly tell now when it is time. I know they will brother very well. I get evidence for money where they will brother go give them for the troops the way Ayaba abandon them. Now they will brother go buy chop give them. Now they will brother go pay rates. The guys that they step the Ayaba abandon them. Now Dr. Ebenezer help to treat some of the troops there for hospital. All these things they are madness. Now madness for Ayaba the gambling club. Ayaba the thief. He must enter 6 feet. Man warn una once more. The last time Dr. Ebenezer is not walking hand to hand with Ayaba because Ayaba is a thief. Ayaba, stop joining your fake information with Dr. Ebenezer. I'm in close contact with Dr. Ebenezer and I'm aware he's not doing anything with you, Ayaba. Ayaba, no begin to use Dr. Ebenezer in name. They make people they insult Dr. Ebenezer in vain because you are out to steal in this revolution. Dr. Ebenezer is not out to steal in this revolution. Ayaba, 6 feet is the only solution for you. And I don't give instruction for Assistant Commissioner Dash White to make sure Ayaba enter 6 feet. That is it. Dash White to make sure Ayaba must enter 6 feet. Now Assistant Commissioner that. So he must make sure Dash White enters, say Ayaba enters 6 feet. This other fool at 55 years where he named that Tabe Ashu. This fool at where he named that Tabe Ashu on decide to make all posts then insult IG. Ma tell una information. This fool, that village champion, he been at 55 years old. He get 12 kinem. He get 12 kinem with 12 different girls them. This village champion where they call and Tabe Ashu. He get 12 kinem. That means say born na football team. That football team still get reserve. Get one picky way you put up a bang the touch. Where you put one person for reserve bench. Tabe Ashu get 12 kinem with 12 different women them. 12 different women them. Where are the tell una so? Now the truth thing that we are talking. Tabe Ashu be based for textile for United States of America. But he always claim say they for ground zero. He never ground zero. He never ground zero. He know they for no ground zero. He know they for ground zero. Tabe Ashu now full at 55 years. Full at 55 years. Where he just rats all that stupid thing. He need to be shame. When he make posts, only like 3 or 4 people they go comment for the post. Only 3 or 4 people they go click like for the post. So nobody drag anything they want to talk about. Tabe Ashu now full at 55 years. 12 different women them. Just think of how AGC misbehave. AGC waka do now chook by chook, njumba by juma, sex by sex, bed by bed, hotel by hotel, tutu by tutu, pussy by pussy. Now wait the way AGC waka do am. Tabe Ashu no begin to pretend say be part of IG. Always you know for tongue na say IG do this, do that. Tabe Ashu, na me I go handle you. Na me Colonel Atajon, I go handle you Tabe Ashu. Me Colonel Atajon go handle you. No any individual go handle you. Na me and Ababa Edwin who go handle you Tabe Ashu. Because you are just a local village champion. A local village champion. No matter if you US, you behave like the time where early man BT they exist. So you be one of those fools them where they be there in the time of Dr. Eugene Zingraf, where put nene, where put eyeglass people, they lost sense begin the boloting say they wash them. So Tabe Ashu, watch out. Because Colonel Atajon no go pam you as from now henceforth. Ewe you chop mami koko in this crash, you know say Colonel Atajon na a no-go zone. Colonel Atajon, the leader of the Ambazonia police and the spokesman, is a no-go zone. Tabe Ashu, full at 55 years. Go shave the white beard your chin. Where they like Africa grey. Where they like Africa grey parrot. Where you just no difference between Tabe Ashu and Pascal Tiki. No different. They get like 20 different profiles them. When I talk so Ko and my witness, when Ko and was a member of AGC, Ayaba create 3 profiles say me ko and attack Colonel Atajon utam. Ko and deny say Colonel Atajon na my friend. I know if you ever do am. I know if you attack Colonel Atajon. We still get evidence for the screenshot for the message them and the Facebook account where Ayaba give ko and deny for user. So my brother and my sisters them, I will officially declare AGC and Scopers brothers, enemies of the revolution. I will officially declare Taka Melton as an enemy of the revolution. Dr. Samuel Sako with the Rwanda government as fast as possible. Now, the most important thing Colonel Atajon go to talk about now, me I drink small tongo before I finish. The last one thing before I stop. My brother and my sisters, when I don't see ground zero is doing something very, very good for this revolution. Ground zero is doing something very, very good for this revolution. I don't want me AGC support me. AGC, no matter the talk which I talk, will not still be enemies. Scopers na enemies. Nothing good comes from you people. No support me or anything. Continue writing. So no problem. Ground zero is doing very good. We don't see various groups them and various individuals the way they don't come out. When I don't see how we troops them, we use them. They don't take the lead on ground zero. But we get one bad disadvantage. We get na chat room them. Although the cuckoo self baller before we fight. I want me all we understand something. If Colonel Atajon is softening the voice for talk about this, it means it is very, very important issue. Because I know when I soften my voice to speak about. Ground zero troops them for ground zero, they get a chat room, they get a knife, they get an axe them, they get sticks them. But us abroad, we need to take this like a challenge in order to supply ground zero with what they need. We need to supply ground zero wait where they need them. Ground zero no need na chat room. We need granite and original machine guns. Chat boom. I know the people call them because my name already developed Public Ministry of Defense. They wanted. Ground zero need guns. We need apparel to make homemade bombs. We need to do them. We get all the prescription how to prepare the bombs them. We get them. How to prepare them. We need all the apparel them. We need them. We need battery them for motor them. All battery them for motor for prepare some the bomb they would have. So ground like public don't declare me wanted. So I need to call and say gun or bomb or waiting. So no problem. The matter is this. Us abroad, we get to take this like a challenge. An official challenge. We need to provide ground zero wait where they need them. Our brothers, the way they did ground zero, they the ask we say we provide them machine guns. If we supply them machine guns Just imagine if you supply them just 10 machine guns for each part for Ambazonia. Each village. Believe me, they go use that chat room plus 10 machine gun for each position. They go use them. We go finish La Republic for 5 seconds. So now the truth is where they talk them. So my brother and my sister say, we need to do, I know say most of una this una no get the ways to bring in the weapons they put inside ground zero, but ancien them there. Or even inside La Republic where they go supply with the weapons them. I no go tell una who them be the ancien them. I no go talk them. Ancien them there, even for Nigeria chat, Niger, Central African Republic, they go supply with the apparatus them inside. Then they ancien, then they will know them. We know their contacts, they will be in touch with them. Some of you be in touch with them. We know how we will go bring in the apparatus them. So, the matter we did then say, Colonel after John the tongue na say, Muna give money. Muna give me money. I don't need money. I don't need money for bring the weapons them. Me no be me at the touch money for bring in these weapons. But I want to say all we will raise in the money for bring in these weapons. Dr. Ebenezer know how to bring in the weapons. He know. General Funcha know how to bring in the weapons. Now them two that way they know how to bring in the weapons. No because they believe say Ayaba know any way to bring in weapons. Ayaba no get troops at ground zero. All that thing then they stage and up Nigeria. Because Ayaba never ever go here in troops, they go for any location where PC signboard for they say now ground zero then they all those things then they stage and up Nigeria. Me they challenge me. Me they go for grandstand for Kuma. Me ADF where he claim say they for Kuma. Me they go for grandstand for Kuma. Display their weapons. They Musia. Musia say they for ground zero. They know they for ground zero. Then they for Nigeria at the height. Then you walk a lie say they for ground zero. So we know how to bring in these weapons. Then we know them. Dr. Ebenezer can bring it. General Funcha can bring it. The two of them can bring in the weapons. Others can bring in the weapons, but not Ivor. Ivor cannot bring in the weapons. Ayaba cannot bring in the weapons. They are based in Nigeria. Only make bap 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 bap. Make bap 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 bap. Say they get weapons the way they want bring her inside. Only know for make bap 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 bap. Where they only make bap bap. So there they go. We call losses. Carry their money. Give her for Ayaba. Give her for Ayaba. Ayaba go use Ikanas. Go pay hotel with the money. Thomas Cecilia Abiye Biyamabo. Ivor go use his own money. Like Fred from Namugu. Namugu. Now latest Mugu that. Now one of the latest Mugu that for 21st century. Fred from send $100 for Ivor. 100 euros for Ivor. Ivor carry that money. You just say that money to go for ground zero. Ivor go do na chuk by chukuta. Ivor go do na chuk by chukuta. Ivor na lie man. Big lie man. My brother must say no believe anything for Ayaba and Ivor. Vela Franklin, that parrot, village champion, Luca village champion, Vela Franklin. Where he come out bush, go carry thing for head. Now which kind of bush fall like that? Which kind of bush fall away to go back to pay, you know, get motor where you work a room with them. When you work a room with them, carry back the head. Maybe I really show now the Luca village champion. Well, man, the Luca village champion this way. The Luca village champion. Hey, well, man, Vela Franklin. Hey, no. Which kind of bush fall be Vela Franklin where you go for ground zero, go carry back the head? If you not been a Luca village champion, how can you go down to ground zero? You are not even able to rent a car and use. You carry back with your head. Nah. Well, man, no, me not Luca village champion. That Luca village champion. Well, man, hey, Colonel Arthur John don't die today. When I see the Luca village champion, I have Vela Franklin. Well, Oh my God. You go down for ground zero, at least you can rent a car. When if you carry drops, they will waka fight with them. You will call waka like a Luka village champion. Luka village champion. carry your traveling bag for your head. Carry your, you know if you pay a bike. You know if you pay a bike safe. Oh my God. My brother, my sisters, una fund the ground actions. Una fund the ground actions. And at the call for a general unity within all Ambazonians, excluding AGC, excluding Scopus. I'm calling on unity between Maurice, all groups, except Ayaba and Milan Atemi group. We don't need them. Me, Ayaba, Ian McBarata, where they call for the resignation of General Support, me, Ayaba resigned because it's credit for my operation for Bali checkpoint. Me, Ayaba resigned with immediate effect. Ayaba should resign with immediate effect. No mean a one credit where Ayaba Tivam. I fight for Baile, Ayaba Tif credit. Bali checkpoint, Ayaba Tif credit. GHS Atiela, Ayaba Tif credit. My brother, my sister saying, Ayaba should resign now. Now, Colonel John, me round up with a good song before he stop. Because I want cut things and short, something there pressing what I need to follow him up. Like officially waiting and talk, unity is needed. And I believe if General Sopfoncha and Dr. Ebenezer work hand to hand, Boya will free Boya for 5 seconds. That is the truth. We don't need Ayaba. Ayaba native man. Milan, we don't need them. Native man. How many people that want to hear that sweet song? How many people want to hear that sweet song? Anybody want to hear that sweet song? If you write 3 years, say want to hear that sweet song for Black Legs and Davis, the revolution. You just write yes, Colonel John go sing that sweet song. If you want to hear that sweet song, you just write for comment, say Colonel John, yes, sing that sweet song. Colonel John go sing the song. If you want to hear that sweet song, just write yes for comment. I go sing the sweet song. You want to hear that sweet song? Write yes. I want to hear the sweet song. I go sing the sweet song. I want yes. Yes. If I get 5 years, so people the way they want to hear the sweet song, I go sing the sweet song. I know Tabea Shuna invalid element. A Luka village champion. Who the want to hear that sweet song? 1 yes. 1 yes. 2 yes. Wonderful. Madam Dr. Ebenezer right now 3 years, 1 time, so wonderful. 2 years remain. How many people they wonder who sweet song? How many more people they wonder who sweet song? 2 years more, any more 2 years when people they write down. They wonder who song. I will sing them 3. Wonderful. Madam Doctor, you don't just fool them. Oh yes, you want. Wonderful. Now me say that song must happen today. My drink small to go first before I sing the song. Tabe Ashwa no say be your nightmare. You go piss your dread, your brain, your trousers non-stop because of Colonel John. Tabea should say man no sing, you the count. If people don't talk say man sing, Tabea should do you count. When I sing, show some love and no say Tabea should go show na angriness or sadness. Show some love. Show some love. Tabea shuko show na angriness. I already know you. Show some love. And you share. The great day is coming. The great day is coming. All nations stand before the throne of God and give an account for themselves. And give an account for themselves. Oh my darling Jesus, if I be in search of fire, oh be my comforter, I cannot be a pillar. Than thee, O Lord, in the rock of ages. Rock of ages, care for me. I will stand, you will stand, your mama will stand, your papa will stand, all nations stand before the throne of God and give an account for themselves, and give an account for themselves. Oh my darling Jesus, if I be in search of fire, oh be my comforter, I cannot be a pillar. Than thee, O Lord, in the rock of ages, care for me. I will stand, you will stand, your mama will stand. I will stand, Ayaba will stand, your mama will stand, ages is comers will stand before the throne of God and give an account for themselves. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Atta John will be laughing, Ayaba will be crying, Shekaf will be crying, Momsi will be crying, Roland will be crying, Pascal Kiki will be crying, Capo Daniel will be crying. Oh, and I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, Dr. Ebenezer will be laughing, Ayaba will be crying, Cecilia Biamabo will be crying. Oh, and I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, Milan Atem will be crying, and Atta John will be laughing. Oh, and I know. Oh, and I know. Oh, and I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, and I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, and I know. Oh, and I know. On the last day when the Lord shall come, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, and I know. On the last day when the boy shall be free, many people will be disappointed. Ayaba will be crying, Tabeash will be crying, Momsi will be crying, Dala will be crying. Oh, and I know. Mukala jump up. How this thing Jennifer, now your best song this now. I want to see Jennifer. Jennifer, you say now your best song this is where the revolution start now. Mukala jump up. How this thing I'm smelling bitter case time. Janga smell Ayaba jump up. How this thing I'm smelling bitter case time. Janga smell shake up jump up. How this thing I'm smelling bitter case time. Janga smell Lore Shamba jump up. How this thing I'm smelling bitter case time. Janga smell Momsi Vivian Batnui who snatch the husband of Odilia jump up. Honey sting smelly bitter case time. Janga smell Mukala jump up. Honey sting smelly bitter case time. Janga smell Capo Daniel jump up. Honey sting smelly bitter case time. Janga smell Ashao Abu Free jump up. Honey sting smelly bitter case time. Janga smell Dala jump up. Honey Stingham, smelly bitter kiss time. Janga Smellam, village champion, Vela Franklin, jump up. Honey Stingham, smelly bitter kiss time. Janga Smellam, village champion, Ivor tap those Ivor jump up. Honey Stingham, smelly bitter kiss time. Janga Smellam, Ayaba jump up. Honey Stingham, smelly bitter kiss time. Janga Smellam, Ayaba jump up. Honey Stingham, smelly bitter kiss time. Janga Smellam, Terry Apopo, the village champion, jump up. Honey Stingham, smelly bitter kiss time. Janga Smellam. May the Lord bless you all, my lovely brothers and sisters. I love you all.